There goes Caitlin. Now she's Speedy Gonzalez on the train. Come on, show Danda. Gonna try to get it into places where I can't. Let's see where we're at. Oh, look at Livy behind the couch. What are you two doing behind the couch? You pooping back there? That's where they are, babe. Behind the couch. New place to hide.